Hi there, U.S. government students. It's Mr. Kerr, and we're getting ready for week 5 starting here. We're going to be talking about the Bill of Rights, one of the most important documents in our country. So Bill of Rights. And just a couple of reminders, of course, when the week opens Tuesday morning. We go Tuesday through Monday. So the week opens on Tuesday. Everything will be due the following Monday. You should be checking your grades and your messages on a daily basis, as well as text messages and emails. So make sure you're doing those on a regular basis. Also, just a couple of quick reminders. The Start Here folder has all sorts of important stuff, course and instructor info, including the syllabus. The first 4 assignments, if you have a couple of you still haven't finished all of those. Those were to be done first before anything else. So you might want to go back and double check those. And of course, tips, tricks, and student resources for this class. We'll actually be using some of the student resources, especially around point evidence analysis in the next couple of weeks. I just want to point out orientation discussion, the very first discussion we did. We've had some new students join our class and had people respond to your posts and stuff. You might want to just go back, take a look at the orientation discussion, see what's happening there, new people and all that good stuff. Great. So this is our last full week of content for Unit 1, which is the philosophical foundations of our country. We're doing week 5 leveled it's not called level question, so ignore that part. But we're doing the Bill of Rights, and we're also going to take a sneak peek at week 6, which will be the Unit 1 final. So going through week 5, talk a little bit about the Bill of Rights. I'd like, as you read through this, make sure you go through this understanding that we have highlighted here, and then click here to the Bill of Rights Institute, really interesting website and institute set up specifically around the Bill of Rights. But read through the 10 amendments that make up it's the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution, a little bit about them and how it came to be. So we're only going to have one assignment this week, so hopefully you'll have a little bit of time to go back, do some review over Unit 1, and get ready for next week when we do the Unit 1 final. So our one assignment this week is a discussion board over the Bill of Rights, and I'm not going to read this all to you because here's a YouTube video of me reading the directions to you. So if you need the directions read out loud, click on that video there. But there are 2 questions. You are to use the PEA method, point evidence analysis method. Couple of other things, the video that's linked down here, the Bill of Rights video. When you get to it, you can get subtitles or closed captioning if you'd like to hear or read what they're saying as well as hearing it. It definitely helps with taking notes. And so our 2 questions that you need to write at least one solid paragraph for each question. Question 1, what was Madison's role in the creation of the Bill of Rights? Do you agree with his actions or not? And why or why not? Those are important. Why or why not? And what would it look like today if we did not have the Bill of Rights? Do you think we'd still have the same protections under the law? Why or why not? Again, important. Why or why not? You need to explain that. And then, of course, your 2 responses to your classmates. Explain why you agree or disagree with them. Use quotes, use facts, use evidence from either the website or the video that you watch. So one other thing, we need to get those posts in before the weekend. I don't set a solid deadline on discussion board posts, but they really need to be in before the weekend. If you wait till the weekend, your classmates really don't have a good opportunity to go through and respond. So we need those posts done before the weekend, and then, of course, finish up by Monday night. So Bill of Rights video here, PA method checklist, Google Doc you can get to, And then as we go through this, the sneak peek at week 6, this will be our Unit 1 final, talking about power and authority and the philosophical foundations of our country. So read through this. Here's our prompt. Here's a little bit of sneak peeking at it, and then here's your final. Actually, there's your final right there, and there's your prompt. So you got it all right there for you. Unit 1 text-based final as a PDF or a Google Doc, and then also PA method checklist if you need that again. But really review over all of Unit 1 with the extra time you'll have this week with only one assignment due. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you're enjoying. Boy, it's a great time for sports in Colorado. Colorado Buffaloes, Denver Broncos, Colorado Rockies all doing great. So hope to see that continuing. And let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.